This was one of the best and most expensive custom gaming PCs we have ever built here at Radium. We built a fully water-cooled gaming PC with the best graphics card, the RTX 4090, and took the cooling to the next level with a case that integrates the distro plate with the chassis for an incredible open design. To start this build off, we'll be locking in the Intel i9 13900K Special Edition. This CPU made a big splash when it released, when it set a speed record with a 6 GHz peak turbo clock straight out of the box. Now that we've locked in the CPU, we can begin our water loop. Starting with the CPU water block, we've gone with the AlphaCool Eisblock. This clear block is a great centerpiece because it will maximize the very special and unique coolant we'll be filling this PC with. Now that we've unboxed the emperor of the GPUs, the RTX 4090, we can rip it apart and slap on a very nice EK Waterblock. As I noted at the start, we've gone all out with the cooling, and it starts with these 3 monster radiators. Once we've unboxed these 3 Bisky radiators, we can install 9 Li Uni fans. The case we've gone with is one of my favourite chassis for water cooling, the Granzon G20. This case, with the motherboard tray also serving as the distro plate, truly allows this rig to unleash the power of water cooling. In other words, it will have peak performance and stunning visuals. We can finish off preparing this case to fit the pipes by locking in gold fittings. Some people may find them a bit garish, but to me they're so tough with a water-cooled rig. And with a PC like this, you might as well not be understated with the fittings. With the GPU locked in, we can use some magic to install the radiators onto the back of this build, before we fill up this water loop with the incredible Primo Chill View in powder red. This coolant definitely adds some maintenance work, but the active effect is amazing, especially in a huge water-cooled power like this.